gosh, is that a monster? A zombie? Yeah? Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some orange chicken and fried rice on the side, so join me doing that. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I'm going to clip my hair up because I don't want it in front of me while I'm trying to cook. So let's cut it open. Right, so the directions on the baggie says that we're going to put it in the oven. However, I don't want to use my oven, so we're just going to put it in the air fryer. We are going to put the air fryer on a settings of 400 for 8 minutes. Oh, I don't know why it looks like that. I am now boiling some water so we can heat up the orange sauce in here. Once this is finished, it will also beep. So while that's cooking, I'm going to start, and this is getting melted. Alright, so while the orange chicken is still cooking in the air fryer, we're going to be setting up the ingredients we're going to be using for the orange chicken and the fried rice. So I'm going to put some garlic for the orange chicken sauce, some onion for the fried rice, and some butter for both. For this recipe, I think it should be okay with 4 garlics. I can't remember the name of this butter brand, but I really like it. It's from Costco because it has a measurement right here. So 1 tablespoon, and for this one, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of butter. It already beeped. Give that a quick shake, and it looks pretty much ready. Now let's pour the rice in there. Ooh. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to be turning these a little bit. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water and just cover it up so it can defrost. Because it is frozen. I just took it out of the freezer. So let's just add a little bit of water. Okay. That. Okay, and then we're going to cover it like so. Okay, and then we'll leave that for like a minute or 2 just so it can defrost. And while this is defrosting, I'm going to get started on the orange chicken on this pot over here. I'm also going to be using 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to be adding the garlic. Okay, now we're going to pour the orange sauce. Okay, now let's mix it. And then mix. So I'm not going to be adding chili flakes. It sounds really good to put chili flakes. I'll probably do that on my own individual one because my baby might be eating some of this too. So it has to be baby toddler friendly. But the sauce tastes really sweet. It's really good. We'll leave this here for a little bit. Now let's give this one a stir. Yep, that's pretty good. Okay, and then let's add the 3 eggs on this one. Okay. Okay, we get a fork and we scrambled. And we just put it over the rice and we mix. Oh no. Okay, and we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and alright, so I saw a lot of people online say that they were adding soy sauce to it. I'm not adding soy sauce, but I might add aminos. I'm going to do a little taste right now, just because I've never tried the fried rice before, so I'm going to see if it even needs salt at this point. And if it doesn't, I might not even add it. So let's try it. Alright, it does need a little bit of salt or some type of seasoning, so soy sauce if you have it, but I don't. I use aminos, so that's what I'm going to be using. So these ones, the coconut aminos from Trader Joe's, does have a little sweet kick to it. So again, I love sweetness. If you like sweet, I would recommend it. If not, then maybe just your low sodium soy sauce would be better for you. And the serving. And I don't have any sesame seeds. I do have everything bagel, so that's what I'm going to be adding. There we go. Alright, and now for the taste test, guys. So I would give it 10 out of 10. Certainly tastes just like fresh Panda Express. So I would highly recommend it. And if you guys can please give me a like. If you could please subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.